Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to receive email alerts from a specific sender in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account so all your emails can load in. Once you're logged in and everything's loaded up, you'll be able to see your inbox and all your email folders on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll start the process of setting up those alerts. Now navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. From here, look for a sample email from the sender you want to receive alerts from. This could be anyone, whether it's a colleague, a client, or someone you need to stay on top of. Once you find an email from that sender, click on it to select it. This selection is important because Outlook will use this email to identify the sender you're creating the rule for. After selecting the email, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a section labeled Move. Click on the Rules dropdown within this section and you'll see additional options appear. From these options, click on Create Rule. This will open up a new window called the Create Rule window, which is where you'll configure exactly how you want Outlook to handle emails from this specific sender. In the Create Rule window, you'll notice that the email address is already specified from the sender you selected earlier. This saves you time since Outlook automatically pulls in that information. Now click on the From checkbox next to your email sender's name to enable it. This tells Outlook that you want this rule to apply specifically to emails coming from that address. Next, scroll down to the bottom of this window where you'll see a section labeled Do the Following. This is where you set up what happens when an email from this sender arrives. Click on the checkbox that says Display in the new item alert window. Enabling this option means you'll get a visual alert on your screen whenever an email from this sender comes in, so you won't miss anything important. If you want to take it a step further, you can also add a sound alert by clicking on the Play a Selected Sound checkbox. This gives you an audio notification along with the visual one, which can be really helpful if you're working on something else and need an extra reminder. Once you've configured everything the way you want it, click on OK at the bottom of the window. Outlook will save your rule and start applying it immediately. From now on, whenever an email arrives from that specific sender, you'll receive an alert exactly as you've set it up. And that's it. You've successfully set up email alerts from a specific sender in Outlook, so you'll never miss an important message again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.